This SENSARTE Nonstick cookware set brings together a wide range of saucepans, frying pans, and specialty pieces, so a small kitchen can handle everyday meals and more involved recipes without needing extra pots. The detachable handles feel secure under a full load and make it easy to move hot pans from stovetop to oven or refrigerator without juggling bulky oven mitts. Its stone-inspired non-stick surface releases food cleanly with very little oil, which helps with healthier cooking and keeps delicate foods like eggs or fish from tearing. Because the pieces stack neatly once the handles are removed, this set is especially practical for tight cabinet space, small apartments, and recreational vehicles. The pans heat evenly on gas, electric, and induction stoves, and the reinforced bottoms resist warping and burnt buildup even with frequent dishwasher cleaning. Despite being relatively lightweight, the cookware walls are tall and stable, so you get generous capacity and good splatter control while still being easy to lift and pour.